Should have checked this yesterday, but let me make sure. Yep, see, that would have been an issue, maybe. Good afternoon, everybody. We're going to continue on with my build from yesterday. In case you missed it yesterday, I went on a hunt for a seed and found one that I loved because it's like a little island and like this like little cliff area. But I wanted it because I wanted to build like waterfall and all kinds of other cool stuff. But sadly, this new update is making it to where my water is like invisible, so it's not that great. I tried what I could to differentiate some of the blocks to make it, but I'm not liking it. So, I did do some research after my stream and found that like basically my only options are to either turn off the visual effects, which I don't really want to do because I love them, other than this, or I can tweak the settings, which as you can see, I've already done, and I still don't like it. Or my only other option would be to just not do the waterfall, which I think is what I'm gonna have to do, or just leave it and just, I don't know. I'm not happy with it. Like everything I read said that there's not really anything I can do other than not do the visualization. So Mojang, can you fix that, please? Because like I want to have beautiful waterfalls back here, but it's just not giving me those vibes. It just looks mediocre. Which is really unfortunate because I had big hopes because there's like this little area. I may still do that. I don't know. We may still do that. I'm not saying never going to do that. It just would be nice to be able to actually see the waterfall. I did add some lava to add like a little bit of extra little effect for the cliffs, as you can see. And I was hoping like maybe it would reflect a little bit, but it does not. So I don't care for that. And I'm going to change my water settings back to the clear because I feel like that looks worse, personally. I'm pretty sure it's reflections, isn't it? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. No, that wasn't it. Which setting was it for the water? I don't remember. I thought it was reflections. I don't know. Because like the water is so pretty, but like it's just disappointing. Okay, so we're going to step away from that for right now because that is. See, I don't know. Maybe if we just add some forestry, maybe that's what it needs. It just needs some trees, right? Again, would be nice to have the clear feature to clear my hotbar, but alas, no. Okay, so I'm gonna get rid of this real quick. All of this is going to go because the house is basically done. I just need to do like the interior and exterior. Obviously the exterior. Basically, I just built the shell. Not really much going on in there. All right, so let's see. So we went with dark oak tree and pale. So I'm gonna go with. I say we do a mixture of those two, definitely. I'm also feeling maybe some cherry sapling. It might give it a little something. I don't know. We'll try it. Do the pale oak have to be placed in four? I haven't placed, I don't place them, so I don't know. We'll see. Do they have to be placed in four? Yep, okay. So they do. Alright. Good to know. So see, I do need a variety of trees because I need the ones that don't depend don't depend on one, or don't depend on 4 blocks. So by the way, actually let me do something real quick. So as I mentioned in the headline of my stream, it is almost my birthday. When you get to be my age, people don't really celebrate your birthday as much. But I love celebrating my birthday. So having said that, I have a birthday wish list. Should anyone decide that they want to, you know, I don't know, shower me with gifts, that would be awesome, but not required, obviously. So there is my birthday wish list. Should anybody decide to spoil me for my birthday, all kinds of really cool stuff on there. I've got family-oriented stuff on there that you may or may not see me do on stream because I do, you know, in real life stuff. Some girly stuff because I'm very girly. I like to be princessy. So yeah, check it out if you feel like it. If not, no big deal. I don't think I planted that. I bet it grew there when I planted the moss block. Oh, is that when you put... Oh, I did not know that when you used bone meal on a moss block, it would plant an azalea shrub. I legit did not know that. The more you know. What's this right here? No, that's gonna catch on fire, isn't it? If I do it right there. I mean, it's still borderline might, even being right there, but we'll see. Okay, I think it's coming together a little bit. I think it's a little bit. Not gonna pretend like it's, you know, spectacular yet. Just leave it like that. I don't know. What do we think, guys? Are we digging it yet? I mean, it definitely adds something. So I play in peaceful, just because I mostly prefer like all the creativity stuff. So So I haven't actually come across one of the creatures from like the Pale Garden, Forest, whatever it's called. But they look creepy. Just from like the videos that I've seen, they're not pleasant looking. I don't think I would like something coming out of the trees at me. Or are those fake? I don't know. I did just notice today, or yes, no, yeah, it was today. Sorry, I had a cough. Decap and I have our own survival world that we started on last night, in case you missed that stream. And today I went to go take myself back to base off stream. And I didn't know that the eye bloom flower thingies like lit up. I did not know that. Full disclosure. Speaking of, shall we plant some? I believe so. These open eye blossoms, whatever they're called. Did not realize that they lit up. See, that's a problem. That is so whatever. I can't see it. Okay, so we definitely need some of these randomly. Oh, and fireflies. Okay, see, this may work. This may work, chat. We may make this work after all. Mojang still needs to fix it. But we might can make it work. For anybody that did not see the stream yesterday, though, I did use frog lights. Like, I tried to use, like, other light sources to, like, because, you know, I know it reflects, and it just didn't work out. It didn't look good. It just looked very staged and not as natural, I guess you could say. I love the firefly bushes, let me just say. That's underwater, isn't it? Okay. That's why it wouldn't let me place it there. Yeah, I love fireflies though. They remind me of obviously not just, you know, my childhood, but also they kind of remind me of my father-in-law, my late father-in-law, because my in-laws, they used to go camping down at a lake. Well, it was really a creek. But they would go camping every year, and when my husband and I first started dating, I went, and it was gorgeous. The fireflies across the creek, it was just beautiful. So it reminds me of that. I miss that stuff, but we don't go camping anymore. So kind of a I don't go camping anymore just because it's not the same. I say my late father-in-law because he was killed by a drunk driver. So don't drink and drive, kids. When you get older, always have a designated driver. Hopefully you are blessed enough to have good parents like I feel like Cosmo is, because we've had the conversation with Cosmo that like when he's older, like we're not naive. Kids are going to do dumb things, and so we want him to feel comfortable to call us and know that we will come get him. He's going to have consequences later, but at the time it'll be no questions asked. We'd rather him be at home safe. Because his grandpa was killed by a drunk driver. So, not trying to get all Debbie Downer, sorry. But yeah, that's what the fireflies remind me of. It's so pretty. Alright. I think it's coming together a little bit. I think I need a little bit more light. What are some other light sources we could use? I mean, theoretically, I could do floating candles, but then that's like a lot, so I don't really want to do that. I could do end rods. Oh, I could do conduits. Those light up a little bit. I mean, where are they at? Or where are they at? Where is it? Am I just blind? Oh, there it is. Let's see what this looks like if we put these in random little... Can I go into the water? Ooh, it can. So that's an option. Okay, okay. All right. Now I feel like the trees all need something. Maybe that's where I can pull in the end rods. Like have them like draped down from the trees maybe. We need fairy lights on here. Ooh, glow vision. That's what it is. That's what I need. Yes. Oh, don't go away, moon. That means it's going to be bright soon. We're gonna make it midnight again. Because I need to know this. I need to know what it looks like when it's dark, right? I mean, the glow lichen is definitely helping. I don't know that it's quite doing it, but it is not hurting matters. That's for sure. Okay, I don't think we need the end rod, guys. I don't think we do. I think that that would be too much. And I don't think it would look good. Oh, wait, why did I do that? Because this can go underwater. Yes. It's lightening up, that's for sure. Okay, so at night, it's a vibe. At night, it's a vibe. You still can't tell that there's a waterfall back there, but at night, it's definitely a vibe. Let me see, is there anything else that I could use that I'm not thinking of? Let's just see. Let's just see. I don't think it's gonna look good, personally. No, I don't. I don't know. Let me see. Hold on. Let me see that again. I mean, I don't hate it, but I don't feel like it goes either. What do you guys think? I mean, I think it adds in a magical effect, actually. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna do that. Okay. I mean, we've got amethyst, we've got conduits, we've got glow lichen. We might as well add some skulk stuff, right? So I think it's good. I think that's about all we really need to add, honestly, because like I think any more and it's gonna look really gaudy looking, honestly. Why do you keep trying to turn into daylight? Let's do sunset. How about that? Hold on, guys. Give me just a second, guys. All right. Okay, so since I'm so hyper focused on this area, actually, hold on. We need more greenery. We need more. Let's see. Let's get some. We got some pale oak, cherry, dark oak. Any other flowers or anything that may not naturally? Actually, no. Okay. All right, we're gonna do this. Okay, just like that. A few more piles like that. Don't like that one standing out like that. Doesn't make sense. All right, if anybody would just like listen to me for like one piece of advice, like one little piece of advice that I have, it would be that you just need to go listen to Jimmy Eat World, the middle acoustic version. Trust when I say that it is the best version. My hubby got me turned on to it because of a TikTok or something that he showed me. It wasn't like exactly the acoustic version, but it was pretty similar. And I really needed that message at the time. Which, I mean, he knew, obviously, because he knows me. And maybe somebody else needs that too, so. But yeah, anywho. Alright. Alright, now we need some more flowers. More greenery. And I know I didn't like really accentuate these waterfalls like I did the other one, but really the other one's supposed to be the main focus point anyways, so yeah. You know what this is needing? I know what this needs. This needs wildflowers and like the pink petals. Like you get in the cherry biomes. That's what this really needs. As you can tell, I like very colorful things. A very colorful person. I could have put glow lichen on this tree down here. Couldn't I have? Could have. Just did. Alright, let's see. Alright, let's see. We need... I don't think I need bone meal anymore, but I do want... yeah, okay. Give me just a second, guys. Sorry. My kid is doing college classes today, and he needed help getting into his portal because they sent the verification code to me. So sorry about that. All right. Let's see. I was afraid of that. Yep. Called it. Wonder why I finally did it. Wonder what I did that set it off this time. Or not this time, but this. Yeah. I'm surprised it took that long to catch on fire, to be honest. Alright, so it's a no tree zone. I wonder if it's the grass. Maybe, oh, I bet the grass led to it. Should we try again? Or should we just give up on a tree being there? We've only tried once. Oh, that cow's about to be, oh, okay. I was gonna say it's about to be a filet mignon cow. Was not. Alright, I think, let me set it back one more time. I think we're good. I mean, I think that's as good as it's going to get. Honestly. We're gonna try again, but I think it was the grass, to be honest. I think the grass fed it. Fed the lava straight to it to catch on fire, to be honest. Because it's not even that close to the lava to, I don't think, anyways, for the heat to have fueled that. I could be wrong. I don't know. I try to take a bite of my food. Hmm. I need a drink. So yeah, nope, it's official. I can't even eat rice right now. That sucks. I feel like it's like stuck in my throat. Thank you, Dr. Useless. Alright, let's see. House or cave? I'm thinking cave. That's what I'm thinking. Okay, so first things first. We need a way to get into said cave. So let's do, we're gonna do like a sandy bank kind of a thing. Because we want to be able to like walk into it and not drown. But I don't necessarily want a like dock or anything up against it either. Like it's supposed to be like a, ooh, look at this mysterious, you know, finding behind the waterfall. Nope, that's not gonna work. Okay. So like, oh, okay, what's over here? Yep, just like that. All right, cool. So I'm gonna bring all this out though. All of this. Let's come out. How would anybody know? Other than the stream. Nobody's gonna look under this. Gotta do. I don't like things like perfectly symmetrical because then to me that doesn't look natural. Obviously it's a game, but I like things to look as natural as I can make them. Now, don't get me wrong, I love how the water looks. Like, I'm not trying to diss it earlier, but like, it would be nice to make my waterfall look prettier. That's all. Alright, now to make this look more natural, we need to add a little bit more here. Actually, no. Nope, I think it's good. Just gonna leave it like that. But to make it blend in, we need to add more. nature. Because again, you don't want it to look like you're obviously you don't want it to look like you're stumbling upon just, you know, obviously just whatever. There's cool stuff down here. Oh, no, that's my sand. I'm probably up there. Huh? I'm a dork. But that's why you guys are here, obviously. Oh, wait. Oh, way over here. Okay. We definitely need some sea pickles. I love how it sounds like you're... Sorry about that. Sorry. I love how it sounds like you're flipping on a light switch. Kind of, when you're placing those. So, I think maybe some glow lichen would maybe look nice. Sorry again, there's some of you that may still not be familiar, but I am dealing with some health stuff that makes me cough a lot. Well, not all doctors, but so far I've had some pretty useless doctors. I say that a lot because it's funny that one of the doctors' name actually rhymes with useless. The irony. So yeah, I've been suffering for over a year now with a cough, and they've found things in my neck, but then refuse to acknowledge them and want to deter things onto other things. So, I'm sorry that I had to cut off mid-sentence a second ago. That may happen a lot if I'm talking too much and I have to cough. And it doesn't help. Like I said, I just tried to eat some of my food and I can't even eat rice apparently. So, yay me. All right. So just be patient with me. And I promise I will come back mid-sentence eventually. So, no, it's not gonna place anything. Okay, cool. All right, so sun's coming back up. I think that that's it. I think that's all I can do with the waterfall itself. So we're going to go in here, like I said. I don't want to make it obvious, so there's not gonna be like a dock or anything. I know that kind of makes it a little obvious. It like sticks out right here. I don't know. What do we think, chat? Does it make it too obvious? Oh, okay. That cow just died. Poor thing. All right, let's go in here. All right, so thinking underwater cave, but we want it to be magical, so I'm thinking, let's see. Oh, so on my decap stream, I kept calling that purple terracotta, but that's actually blue. I'm blonde. Not really. I'm sorry. I just bleached my hair so many times. Okay, we're gonna do this. This is what we're gonna do. Okay, got it. Although I do need some light, so we're gonna get another light block. Okay, I don't like the outline that the sun is giving, I guess. The sun? I don't know. I don't like that, but whatevs. What can you do? Oh my goodness, why is it breaking? I'm so slow. Okay, what is up with this outline? What is this? What is happening right now? It's weird. Right there's where it stops. Okay, cool. Just trying to figure out where the water stops. So I think actually, since it's gonna lead into like an amethyst kind of a vibe, really natural that we have amethyst in here lighting the way, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But we don't want it like super obvious either though, so we're gonna do this. Sounds so pretty. Let's see what it looks like at night. Yeah, I think it works. Alright, so 1, 2. Alright, so actually we're gonna do right there, actually. But we're not gonna fix that block. I don't want to mess up what I have going on out there. Okay. Same with that one. We're not gonna change that sand block. Oh, hold on. Okay. Do that right there, just to give us some light. All right. So right here, we're gonna open it up. I need my essentials add-on for this one. Jeez, it's gonna be so much gravel. Oh well, it's okay. Alright, light in that corner. And because I'm OCD, 1, 2. Okay. 6, 8, 9. Diaz. Alright, so just setting the parameters right now, basically. Alright, let's see, how far back do we want to go? Let's see. See how far back it'll let us go. I'm gonna say that's probably gonna be cutting it close. Because, or no, that's a big mountain, isn't it? Let's say, because a lot of dirt, but it's a big mountain. I don't think that's it. But I also don't want to go too deep, because that's a lot. So actually, that's a lot of land to clear out. Nice. No, we're not doing that. We're not doing that. I'm not about doing all of that. So we're gonna pretend that didn't happen. So that's as far back as we're going. Now, let's see how tall we're gonna go. Let me clear this out first. I know theoretically I could use TNT, but I hate using TNT because to me, or for me, it always messes up my builds. And I never seem to get what I'm wanting done correctly. Almost done with this side. See, I hate clearing out stuff, so that's why I don't really want to go too far back. Plus, it's not supposed to be like some like gigantic thing, I guess. It's just supposed to be like a little like, ooh, what's under the waterfall? Not that it's gonna be like that secretive, I guess, because the water is so clear. You can see it probably. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see how well you can see it. And I totally forgot that I was wanting to do the wall in this terracotta. So I need to correct that over there. Because I will forget again, and I want to start doing the whole thing, and then I'll be like, oh man, I meant to do it this way. And then I'm going to redo it, and then I'm going to like be so mad at myself, and it's just not worth it. So I might as well just fix it now, right? The joys of being OCD. And I don't just say that, like I genuinely, like legitimately have OCD. Not as severe as maybe some people do, but it is pretty bad sometimes. It's really noticeable with my builds. Like, especially with my husband, like he notices it whenever we're building together. So, okay. Anywho, now I gotta clear out this side. So I'm gonna raise the ceiling, obviously, because it's like a cave. I'm also thinking about like maybe like building the floor to go down some. Instead of just being like a straight like walk right in. I'm thinking of like maybe getting some slabs and like, I don't know. Again, I know I could use dynamite or TNT or whatever, but I don't want to mess up the integrity of like what I'm trying, like the shape, or not shape, but like, well, I guess shape, dimensions, that's it. That I have, because then I have to recount everything and make sure everything's even, and I don't want to do that. I don't want to. And you can't make me. It's my terrible accent. My attempt at a terrible accent. Well, not an attempt at a terrible accent. That was my attempt at an accent. It was just really terrible. See, times like right now, I wish y'all could hear what I'm listening to. Granted, you've probably heard this song a bajillion times because it's on TikTok and Fortnite and all that stuff. But Stargazing is such an underrated song. And my son Cosmo loves it. He got so excited. He heard it on the radio the other day because we don't listen to the radio very often, sadly. Sorry, Freddie Mercury. Radio is dying out. But we don't listen to the radio very often. Partly honestly because he and I are Cosmo and I are both autistic, and we are your very stereotypical autistic. We listen to the same songs, um, like over and over again. But so like the radio, we don't really care for. We have our songs that we listen to and that we like, and like we come across ones that we maybe like later on, like Stargazing. I came across from Fortnite. Not gonna lie. But it's such an underrated song. Sorry, that was my little ramble. I do that a lot. Oh yeah, but yeah, no, my son got excited because it was on the radio the other day. So sorry, I had to stretch. Oh, I need a drink. It's another solid, good song. Legends are made by Sam. I don't want to butcher his last name. I know how it feels when people butcher your name. So, but yeah, also a banger. I love using Legends are made for like my esports videos because I am an esports coach. So that's a really cool like motivational song. Let's see, one, two, let's see, 2, 3, 4. Oh, let's see, how far up should we go? I don't want to go too far, so I think maybe that. Um, I know that that right there is that, but I would like for the walls to mostly be this blue terracotta, not purple. Unbeknownst to me, it's not purple. But yeah, so I'm just gonna do that. Ugh, I hate clearing things out. I should have. I should. I shouldn't. No. I want to equip my essentials add-on so bad right now because it apparently clears out gravel. I didn't realize that until yesterday when I was playing with Decap on our survival world. I was like, oh, that's nifty because gravel is awful. And I know the torch trick, but who wants to lay a bunch of torches down? I don't know if I went up high enough or if I went too far. Okay. I went too far, darn it. Oh, that's an easy fix. I put this right here for now. Obviously, those lights are not going to stay. That's just so that way I can see what I'm doing. And so you guys can see what I'm doing. I'm thoughtful like that. You know what you do for thoughtful people? You get them gifts. And my birthday's coming up, so I created a birthday wish list, and it's in the chat if anybody is curious what kind of things I'm into. That is it. I scroll a lot, so I know it seems like I'm going all over the place with clearing this stuff out. Oh my god, this is gonna take forever. I don't want to do this. I'm not gonna lie. I may do this off stream and come back tomorrow to take up this build. Because yeah, I don't want to do this, and I don't want to make you guys have to sit here and watch me do this. So, we're gonna take a time out from my build. This is the finished product so far. Again, we still have the house. The sad, pathetic. It's not really pathetic. It's not pathetic. I shouldn't have said that. The sad, pitiful. That's the right word. Pitiful house that's just empty and bare. That we'll work on eventually. But so far, so it's coming along, guys. So thank you for checking out my build stream. I know it seems a little weird, but I'm going to end this stream because I'm because I'm OCD. um, and so that way I can keep things organized. And I am going to take like a 10-minute or so break, maybe less. And then I'm going to be back because I'm having fun. I already did my homework today. So like, yeah, I'm just going to have fun and let's play like maybe the Hive. I don't know. We'll see. Thank you for checking out my stream and spending time with me while I build. See you guys in a bit. Bye.